look at. Oh, hell, I don't know where it is right here. I don't know some of these cars. Some of these cars new. My boy say 80 people, 80 likes and 250 people watching. He getting upset. I think I am too now. Let's get them buttons. Let's press that button, y'all. A like ain't gonna hurt you. Yeah, somebody said it's a lot of cameramen. That's what I be saying. That's what I be saying.
Coming out the woodwork.
Coming out of the woodwork. This here is important. Everybody want to see this, y'all. Brent Self, let's go. I don't even know Brent Self. Let's go see. Look out. They probably in the, hey, yeah, they over there betting. Hey, man, they getting money. They getting money over here. They betting? Man, what they betting? Yeah. Damn, I need to come over. All the money over there?
Don't need no player haters over here.
Okay.
Damn. Player haters stay out there.
God, they gambling, y'all. They gambling, y'all. We got my boy in the back with the Lookout Racing shirt. Shout out to him back there, man. Y'all see him? Let me zoom in case you can't. Shout out to my boy Tom Gunner one time for the one time. Shout out to Tom Gunner. Yeah. Yeah, shout out to Tom Gunner. Oh yeah, oh, this Brent Self right here, y'all. He's saying to go on this side, y'all. Yo, what you saying, right? I need to bet over here. I need to bet over here. Okay, bet. I already got all the inside information, y'all. I'm betting over here. They already told. Damn. That's a motherfucker. Let me scoot, get closer to this thing here. Ooh wee. Boy, he got the turbo sitting in the corner. God, I got the other side. How much? Okay. It's nice looking. He got his let me see. Ooh, boy, he got, yeah, look at them turbos in the corner. Is they getting air? Yeah, I got TikTok and. Yeah, man, I be talking all that noise on here. That's me. Hello. Yeah. I'm trying to get a bet, man. I need to pass out a card. Do everybody know me? I don't know that lady right there. Hey, miss, you on my YouTube channel? You on my YouTube channel?
YouTube?
Yeah. Yeah. Me there. Yeah, got you on. You on there? Look out, dang. I need some new people, y'all. Hey, you on my YouTube channel? Oh, damn, y'all already here. Okay. You know, man, you do? Oh, you going to? Appreciate it, man. Here, I got some more for you. One for you. I got one for you. That's my boy. That's my boy. I already know. That's my boy, y'all. Let me see. I don't know this. I think I do remember her. Miss, don't I know you? You on my YouTube channel?
I am.
Okay, I thought I remember her. That's her, y'all. That's her. Boy, Brent Self be looking serious in there. Boy, I'm scared to go across the lane. He looks so serious. Hey, hey, this side, man, anything. I might even give odds. Y'all on my YouTube channel? Here we go right here. It's going down like James Brown. Here you go. Yeah, tell your uncle and everybody. Here you go, miss. Tell your brother. Look, tell you, nothing much. Nothing much. Trying to get you to tell your brother. You gonna tell your uncle and everybody.
Yes, sir.
I need to know. Your partner that didn't get to make it, make sure he get on there and subscribe too, man. I know he didn't get to make. He had to work, didn't he? See, I knew it. He had to work. He had to go to work. I'm here for him. He probably donating since he working. Hey, man, when his partner get on my channel, and I know you just went to work, man, go on send a donation to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Got the Cash App, PayPal, Apple Pay, everything, man. You go on to one number. It's 214-514-9545. That's right. sideways burnout. Okay. Let me get in front of you one time for the one time. Car so loud, I thought this car cut off. It's still running though. Beat him. What the hell? Yeah, he couldn't pull that out. Big Chief said he would have been proud if he was to pull that. Boy, I can't see it. It looked like he could have broke loose, got out the gas, and got back in it. Boy, Brent Self got himself. Man, how you get paid, low? Oh, man. I should have gave your ass. Oh, look out, look out. Huh? Oh, hold daddy, y'all. He want to let y'all know, hold daddy.
And Old Red's the fattest motherfucker around here.
Old Red. Oh, okay, here go Yoshi, y'all.